Hi, road trippers. Travel Towner here, and today we are in Orlando, Florida, where we will be traveling along the full length of the President Barack Obama Parkway. We're going to start at the south end on Conroy Road, travel north past LB McLeod, and end at Metrowest Blvd. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.